Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Vlogmas. So today it is a Saturday. I just woke up, cleaned the house a little bit, and then I'm craving for istutu, so that's what I'm making. I'm making porridge. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got. I want to do a few unboxings. I got a few stuff from Take A Lot for my weight loss journey. I got myself a stepper from Take A Lot. I also got what is this? The Gloot tummy what pills or supplements from Take A Lot, because they always sold out at Clicks. And Benbonile, in my last vlog I showed you guys that I got myself this blender, so I'm unboxing all of the things today because I want to start using them because they've been sitting. So yeah, I thought to myself, let me start the vlog and show you guys what I got. This is the pills. It's flat tummy toner. You better fix my life, you know. Oh, son. Cannot wait to try them. I will give you guys an update. I want to do a dedicated video to reviewing these pills because everyone has been raving about them, showing their results. So sawubona is an patanjan a flat tummy toner. This is probably not the best time to do this, not December, but you know what, let's do it. Let me find a place to prop you guys so that you guys can also see the unboxing. And yeah, I'm so excited. I got a stepper from Take A Lot. It was, I want to say 500 rands. It was 500 rands or 500 and something rands. And yeah, I got the stepper because I can't afford a gym membership. And in the past, I've had a gym membership and I only went to the gym about 5 times. So I literally wasted money for 2 years straight. So getting a gym membership was just not an option for me until I can have the discipline that I need to have a gym membership. So that's not in the cards for me right now, but I also do want to get my steps in. I do work and I do sit the whole day, so it's almost impossible for me to get my steps in, and I get home really late. So that is what prompted me to make the decision of getting a stepper. I'm so excited about it, so I want to unbox it with you guys. I got it from Take A Lot, and if you guys are interested, I will put in the link of the stepper in the description box down below.
I don't care what it takes, I've been through this phase, minister and inspired. Every day, every time, every day, every time, every day, every time, every day, every time.
Come with me, let's go grocery shopping.
Come on, tell you. Talk.
Number one, Ilya.
See? Told you.
Good morning. It is the next day. Today is Sunday. Izolo, I left you guys at the grocery store. When I came back, I was so tired. I did not have the capacity to continue this vlog. But I came back yesterday and I just dumped all my groceries there. I only put the stuff that need to be in the freezer or in the fridge. So I just want to unpack the groceries with you guys. Also today I am using my stepper for the very first time. I'm so excited. I also want to cook Sunday lunch or dinner. So that is pretty much what I have on the agenda today. And of course I'm going to that is pretty much what I have on the agenda today, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me. Let me show you guys the mess that I left yesterday because I was tired. Shopping took me out, and it didn't help that I went grocery shopping the day after Black Friday, so you can imagine the mess that was in the shops. So let me quickly show you guys what I'm working with, and let's just pack these groceries. Let's get on the Stairmaster. Let's take my supplements, get some breakfast in me, take a shower, cook. Let's just spend the day together. So this is the mess that I left from yesterday. So I'm going to sort all of this out. And I just threw stuff in the fridge, Sana, and in the freezer. But I need to take out everything that is in here, wash the fridge, and then repack everything nicely. And we're going to do that together. Let us get down to business. Where am I going to start? Let's start with taking everything out in the fridge and cleaning the fridge.
I just a bank for my family, for no shinty kaya lamang ko yung mama. I was born for the money and for fame, feathers give me when on that and down. I don't care what it takes, I've been through this phase, minister and inspired. Every day, every time, every day, every time, every day, every time, every day, every time.
Know that I will never money, and every day and every time, I'm funny money, and I don't sleep, I check the bag, nothing for nobody, for no calling, bill FM, for no sheep of us.
Sebenzele kaya, sebenzele abantu bami, mama wenzelela ngabanaga abanye bami. Chasing out this dream, sebenzele ikusasa lami, sebenzele ikusasa lami.
I just wanna be someone, I just wanna live in my dream, don't wanna please anyone. I know that I'm the chosen one, take care of my people, make sure that I have everyone.
I just a bank for my family, for no shinty kaya lamang ko yung mama. I was born for the money and for fame, feathers give me when on that and down. I don't care what it takes, I've been through this phase, minister and inspired. Every day, every time, every day, every time, every day, every time, every day, every time.
Fuck fame, fuck snitch, fuck Nico. Shawty steady looking at me, what she trying to do? Shawty thinking she's smart, so I'm playing the fool. Hold on, this ain't about no shawty, it's about getting the moolah. It's about getting the Rex, it's about getting the cash. It's about chasing the bitch, it's about chasing the bag.
This is how you know it's December. This is how you know it's festive. Would it really be festive without these? Would it be December without these? I don't think so. Let's do a quick Woolworths haul. I did my groceries at Checkers this time around. Most times I do it at Pick and Pay, but I just wanted to give Checkers a try, and I like it there. But I also get a few stuff from Woolworths. I don't get all my groceries from Woolworths, so I just want to show you guys a quick haul of all of the things that I actually get from Woolworths. So I got these pasta special. Got macaroni, penne pasta, and linguine. This is a bargain at Woolworths. This is 3 for 50 rands. So if you want to buy pastas and things, I highly recommend you get those from Woolworths. And I also got this peony and pear fabric air spritz. You can actually stretch to smell, just to get a feel of the scent. This smells absolutely amazing. And I love how it comes out. It's like a spritz. 10 out of 10. You can use this for the bathroom. You can use this as a room spray. This has multiple uses. Love it so much. And then I like Woolies teas. I have a young collection there forming. Last month I got chamomile and vanilla. Chamomile, lavender, and vanilla. Loved that. I also got mint leaves, but I prefer having mint leaves as like an iced tea with some fresh mint. Oh, it tastes so amazing. So I'm also a chai girl, so this is what I got this month from Woolworths. I got this chai tea with warm aromatic spices. Me and my husband enjoy chai, so this is 40 tea bags. So this should last us a while because we don't drink hot beverages every single day. So that's another thing I got from Woolworths. I also got Coke, but you can get this anywhere, honestly. And we also got some of these Woolies drinks. This is Ruby Grapefruit. And we also got Mint Mojito. That is pretty much everything that I got from Woolworths. I also got the English muffins. They're already in the freezer. Let me see if I can show you guys. Okay. You guys are blocking the freezer, but I also got English muffins. I love those because you can buy them and you can freeze them, and then whatever weekend I want to make a nice breakfast, and then I use that. It reminds me of breakfast burger ya McDonald's. Yeah, I make muffin. It reminds me of a McMuffin. I make my homemade McMuffin. So good. So I always get that as well from Woolworths. And there's a kind of things that I like to get from Woolworths, like their juices. I enjoy their green juice so much, so I always get that, but I didn't get it yesterday. That is everything that I got from Woolworths.
I could pull up with the vibe, worth a million. We all in my life, put my people on. Comfortable thing, but we wanna go harder. Lights really blurring, I reckon. Yeah. You know, say it be coffee season. More than your body, I be feeling. Only soft life, we be moving unbothered. No, they won't stop us. Everybody wanna be royal in it. They wanna show off in the Lamborghini. I know be rockstar, see the way man chillin'. For this lifestyle, see everybody wanna be Don't underestimate me, see the vibe I'm giving. They know fi show love to the sea man winning. They know fi get crowned, but everybody wanna be show up and show love, just show up and show love. Ooh, everybody wanna be show up and show love, just show up and show love. She could pull up in a rover, no one call that. This kind love make her one come over. This kind love make a brother keep focus. It's only yours and I love it.
Hey guys, I just finished preparing dinner for tonight. I just took the longest bubble bath. It was so much needed. I'm here to close this vlog. I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night. Might show you guys my food, but I'm here to close this vlog. This is episode 2 of Vlogmas. Thank you so much you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.